twist off. Here come Destiny. Every time I try. Every time. It never fails. You like my curls? I just took my twist out. I ain't taking completely out as y'all can see, but you know, your girl tried. She got a little hang time. Look at her. Look at her.
Hi guys! I touched it too. Mommy pulled it out. Wait, Mommy, did you tell them?
No, I didn't.
Did you subscribe?
No, I didn't.
Okay guys, since you say subscribe, make sure you subscribe to my mom's channel and share with your friends and family and cousins and everyone that you love in your family and heart.
It's my spokesperson. But anyways, I'm on my way to Walmart and I'm gonna get a couple of things for some chili.
I have chopstick on.
And can I talk to my people? Thank you. Back
My
up.
people too. Yes, they are.
Back up. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some stuff for some chili, and then I'm gonna also clean out my closet. It is good old Tuesday, so happy Tuesday, everyone, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Tell by the boots that it's winter time. Look at the winter kicks. It's cold outside, yeah. Anyways, we here at Walmart. I'll be going for a couple of things and all this stuff I gotta get. chocolate, bread. I gotta get a few other things. I'm not really sure. It's all over the place. Yeah. Got a bunch more crap to get. trying to do all of my Thanksgiving shopping for real because you know the shelves ain't gonna look like this, right? Y'all know people are buying up everything already. That's why they telling people to go shopping early. But you know, a lot of people hard-headed ain't gonna do it. Like right now, ain't no eggs out here. It's ridiculous. People buying up stuff like they lost their mind. But anyways, I'll catch y'all when I get home and I'll let y'all know what I got. Alright. Peace. Look at this, y'all. Isn't that cute? And then you flip it over. That's too cute. Get it out of this. I still want this, and I think I'm gonna still get it. It's calling my name. Whew. It feels good to get some fresh, I'm all wobbly, fresh air. My hair blowing everywhere. Get my little receipt. But just getting out of there, about to put this stuff up in this car. I didn't mean to come in here and get all the stuff that I did. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Try to know how it go when you get to the store, don't you? Get this stuff in the car. Oh, my mess. Every time. Gets me every time. cornbread mix. I'm about to make this for me because I don't really eat chili. I cook it but don't eat it. Some raspberries. Yeah, these potatoes right here though, these sweet potato, carrots, and red potatoes, be bomb. Y'all should try some if y'all haven't already. Got some broccoli, big major box of nutrient bars. That's some bread for my steak-umms, some hamburger patties, my vanilla latte for Keurig over here. I gotta fill it back up. I'm gonna throw some of these away. Cause these, I bought a big box of these, but I never really drank them. Of all of these Italian roast, organic ones, Destiny. Every time. Anyways, I bought these here to fill up this, my Keurig, my coffee machine. So, yeah. Ooh, crumb. What?
You got the email?
Got some Chick-fil-A sauce, the Polynesian one, and then the regular Chick-fil-A sauce. The other stuff for my chili, apple juice, etc.
I think all apple juice.
Get your girl, man.
Okay, no more. No more.
She look a hot mess.
Well, yeah, like this.
She gonna buy a sweater. This good old chili back here. Cooking on up. Hamburger meat over there. Making this good old chili. Chopped up my onions. Got all my beans. All my seasoning. All that good stuff. Tomorrow, y'all, I am going to tackle this cabinet. Do y'all see this? I have stuff just shoved in here any kind of way, and then I bought all of that stuff today. All of that stuff I bought today, and it's just being shoved in there. I have to straighten this out. I really do. That one over there too, but I really got to straighten this one out. So y'all can come along with me when I do that. I ain't got nobody else to talk to, so why not bring y'all along? But yeah, that's it. All right, y'all. Got these steak-umms in here. Got the mushrooms going in here. Got to get these grilled onions going. And once that's all done cooking, the onions are tender. I'm going to melt some cheese on here. And that's dinner. Yeah. Well, except for the chili. Chili is pretty much, you know. That's done. I'm just letting it be on low heat. And then I got this going over here. Because I don't really eat chili. My daughters don't really eat chili. My son and my husband eat it, so that's pretty much I made it for them. I'm sure my son gonna want this too because he likes bacon. So yeah, so I got grilled onions and mushrooms. Most people put bell peppers in their steak-umms. I don't really like bell peppers, and neither do the kids, so not in my steak-umms anyways. I'll eat it in like spaghetti or lasagna or something like that, but I won't eat them in this. But yeah, that's that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So this is the finished product of the steak-umms with mushrooms and Swiss and American cheese. I think that's what that is. I'm not sure. But onions and then the chili. And that's for dinner, y'all. Alright. Check y'all out tomorrow. What's going on, y'all? I am back, and this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a message. give me some more video ideas, anything that you guys would like to see, and I will try to make that happen. But until then, be blessed, be prosperous, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, share me out, y'all. Let's grow this family. All right, y'all be blessed.